Hey guys, John here with Starting Strength Boise. I want to talk about a common issue that we see in the deadlift. So our deadlift teaching method is pretty simple. There's only 5 steps. So Avery's going to demonstrate the correct way to deadlift right now. So first he's going to get the bar over mid-foot. Then without moving it, he's going to grab the bar, drop his hips till his shins make contact, squeeze his chest out, make his back flat in extension. Then he's going to push the floor away and drag it up his legs. A problem that we often see is when a lifter puts the bar down, they'll shoot their butt way up in the air, and then they'll combine those last 3 steps into one. So they'll drop their hips, squeeze their back, try to squeeze their back tight, and then drag the bar up all at once. Good. As you can see, when he does that, the bar comes out of contact with his legs because he drops his hips too low. He usually isn't able to set his back as tight, and the bar isn't going to stay over mid-foot because it's way out in front of you. So the way you fix this is by simply just dividing all those 3 steps and doing one at a time. So when you put the bar down, make sure the first thing you do is get the bar back to mid-foot and put your hips back so your shins are in contact with the bar. And then, after they're in the right position, squeeze your chest out to set your back, and then drag the bar up your legs. So the steps are get your hips in the right position, then set your back, and then drag the bar up your legs. But don't combine all those steps into one. Thanks for watching, hope that helps.